Lads, this is it. Finally got the darkside package. Fair play to them. So happy out. Oh, look at that. God, this phone is so zoomed in. I think they're just wrappers. Love. Hose clamp. Nice. Oh yeah, mount. Tried to record on portrait, but Snapchat won't let me post it up, so maybe the video's too long or whatever. So portrait it is. I got hose clamps. I got one of those brackets for the radiator. I think I threw this one down because I thought they were pieces of wrappers. That's the V-band clamp and a 4-bar map sensor. Nice. That's one of the pipings. Freezing out here. Only had 3 hands. Oh yes, that's what do you call it? I know what that's for anyways. That's to connect on to anti-shudder valve, I think. This would be the radiator, I think. It'd be that size. Nice. Went black because just make it look stealthy, and I might spray paint the pipes as well. That's if they're silver. More clamps. Nice. They all look like V-bands. Bolts. Nice. What else? Whoa. Oops. Pipe. I think that's to go underneath the engine, like so. Let's have a look. That's probably the intake manifold, custom one. Now, get ready for Kinder Surprise. Woo! She's fairly small than I thought, but she'll do the job. As long as it takes more than 300 ponies, I'll be happy. Darkside. Oh, definitely. So, turbo upgrade side would come. I'll keep that blooper. So the GTB turbo is coming out through this side, and then it'll come out this side to the intake manifold, which is, you know, both on the same sides. This is meant to be for a Mark IV, you know, like particularly a Bora or something, but I'm sticking that onto a caddy, which is Mark V platform. So, the fuck! As I was saying, putting that onto a caddy, which is a Mark V platform. Now, it may not fit straight away, but I'll make it fit. Need to... Fucks. Yeah. Okay. That's the gasket for the turbos. Yeah, handy out. Saves me buying one. And one of the piping is the down pipe for the exhaust as well. I didn't properly open all the pipe works yet, but I'll find out later on. Right, packing all the stuff in. That was handy out. Actually, I'm going to throw all this shit in. I don't know if there's anything in that. I'm like a child at Christmas. So maybe just one day, probably in a little while, I might start taking those parts and put them on, but not anytime soon. So yeah, cheers to them anyways.